this is Jason with Healthy Basement Concepts, and this week we're installing piers on this foundation that is cracked pretty badly. You can see one there. There's another one here. What I wanted to show you is this homeowner had a contractor come out here and excavate this out and pour concrete here. Here's the existing footer that's built the house. Stops right here. Poured all this concrete. Poured a ton of it here. My guys have to break this out. When you pour concrete like this underneath the concrete footer to stop settling, it's one of the worst things you can do because it adds all this extra weight to the earth that's already bad soil. The house is settling because the soil is bad. So you're going to add a ton of weight in that area and it's going to settle faster. And this foundation can continue to settle. On top of that, the contractor thought he'd be real smart and put this jack underneath the foundation, and then he poured concrete all around it. It's absolutely ridiculous. So we have to spend our time breaking out all this concrete that's underneath this footing and put our piers in, which you see one of them here set up ready to go to drive. And then we'll have one here in this corner. We got another one here, and further down we got more. And we'll drive these to earth-bearing strata or even bedrock and potentially lift this foundation up. There's no guarantee that the foundation can lift up, but worst case scenario, we can stop it from settling any further, and that's one of the most important things.